Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, we will be cleaning my kitchen. It's not too crazy, just a lot of organizing bins all over the place. I am working on organizing my crazy hallway closet. I do have a lot of craziness in there. You guys will see that coming up. So I do have a lot of storage containers I did buy to be using for that area. The kitchen itself is not too bad. This specific day, we actually went out to eat, so it wasn't too messy. I do have a lot of stuff going on the counters and the table. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the kitchen counters. And since I'm going to be cleaning up the kitchen, I'm just going to take the time to just decorate. I'm just going to be adding some small decorations, kind of keeping it very neutral. I did take some Christmas decorations down for the kitchen that I did have, and I just have a little bit left over, so I'm going to be taking those down, putting away the dishes as well. I did decide just to hand wash some dishes. I do love my dishwasher, and washing dishes by hand actually is more enjoyable now than it used to be. So after putting away everything and kind of seeing how I had the coffee station decorated, I'm just going to be changing up a little bit. Decided to put this cutting board and just a vase with some pampas grass and a sign that says coffee is my favorite coworker. And for the life of me, I couldn't decide how I kind of wanted the layout, but At the end, I did just end up going with the white marble cutting board and black candle with the little sign. And then here I just kind of cleaned the stove and took down the decorations I did have on the top cabinet. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button to join my little YouTube family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. I hope you guys enjoy. these containers from Amazon. They're actually collapsible. They're so practical. I think they're still 50% off. They came out to $25, which I thought was really good for 4 of them. I'll leave the link down below. And after cleaning the kitchen area, I'm just gonna move over to the dining area. I'm just gonna move all this containers. You guys will see how I'm gonna be using them in my little closet organization video. Here I just decided to put up the small frame. I kind of want to see my options that I want to put there. I want to put something bigger, or I want to decorate that side. Gonna be putting a cutting board in the center with this candlesticks and my plant. I'm actually gonna be repotting her. She's getting big for her pot. Actually decided to put a large black frame that I got from the Goodwill. I believe it was only like $5. I don't mind the artwork inside, but I'm not huge on red, so I did decide to take out the art piece in it. And then here is the moment the glass broke. I was like, no, I didn't notice, but I guess I pressed it against the chair and it broke. Can see I had no glass, and then here I am going to throw out all the glass. I'll be doing some art. I'll be doing a DIY art for this one. Here I am going to be adding some height to add this glass pitcher that I have with some rocks and some little gems inside of it, and just going to be adding some candlesticks to add more height as well. And this little welcome sign I got from the dollar store that I like. It says welcome to our home. On the other side, I'm just going to be putting in this other little sign I have. A vase with some stamps I got from at home, and just a little wood accent, and that's how this area came out. I actually like it's very neutral right now. I'll be decorating for Valentine's, but I want to keep it very neutral right now. And this is how my kitchen came out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for watching.